Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. If the speaker on your Apple Watch Series 9 is not working or the sound is distorted, this step-by-step guide will show you how to replace it and restore clear audio. Before starting, let's review the tools required for this repair. A Tri-Wing Y 0.8mm screwdriver, plastic pry tools, tweezers, and the screen disassembly tool. This tool is designed to open electronic devices with tight-fitting screens, making it essential for an Apple Watch. Glue. I will use B7000 glue due to its high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water resistance. And screen clamp. You can find links to all these tools in the video description below. I recommend using a magnetic mat throughout the repair process, especially when disassembling a device like the Apple Watch Series 9. This will help you keep track of each screw's placement and ensure accurate reassembly. Plus, you won't have to worry about losing screws, as they will securely adhere to the magnetic mat. Alright, let's get started. Turn off your Apple Watch and remove the bands. To make the opening process easier, warm up the display with a hairdryer for about 1 minute. Insert the edge of a curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the watch frame. Gradually separate the display from the case by working around all sides of the screen. Once detached, gently flip the display towards the watch crown. Use tweezers to carefully peel off the ribbon cables from the display. Use a plastic tool to unlock the display connectors. Carefully pull the display ribbon cables out of their connectors. The Apple Watch battery is glued to the watch body. Apply isopropyl alcohol under the battery to loosen the adhesive and wait a few moments. Use a plastic tool to carefully pry out the battery. Use the point of a spudger to lift the small, hinge locking flap on the battery connector. Use tweezers to pull the battery cable straight out of its socket. Unscrew the screws securing the vibration motor. Disconnect the motor cable from the main board and remove the motor. unscrew the 3 screws securing the speaker to the watch frame. Carefully remove the speaker from the housing. A faulty speaker can cause audio issues, but replacing it should resolve the problem. You'll find a link to a replacement speaker for the Apple Watch Series 9 in the video description below. Now, let's install the new speaker and reassemble the Apple Watch. Connect the vibration motor cable to the main board and secure it with screws. Connect the display by inserting the ribbon cables into their connectors. Connect the cable to the battery and close the latch. You can reuse the existing adhesive to secure the battery. If the adhesive pad is damaged or no longer sticky, use double-sided adhesive tape. Once everything is back in place, power it on and test the speaker. If the sound is clear and working properly, restore the waterproofing and complete the repair. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean any remaining adhesive from the Apple Watch housing. Apply an adhesive gasket or silicone glue to ensure protection against water and dust. For the best seal, I recommend using B7000 glue, as it provides better resistance compared to adhesive stickers. However, this will not provide 100% water protection, so avoid submerging your Apple Watch in water after the repair. To hold the display in place while the glue sets, use screen clips or rubber bands. B7000 glue fully cures in 24 hours, but it achieves a surface dry in about 6 minutes. I recommend waiting at least 45 minutes before handling the watch further. After 45 minutes, you can remove any excess glue. However, it is recommended to let the glue harden for 24 hours under the pressure of the screen clamp. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech repair tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Your Apple Watch Series 9 repair is complete. Thank you for watching How-FixIT, and we'll see you in the next video.